Good morning, boys and girls. Well, we are going to learn a new sound this week, and it's this sound that's on my board. And I wonder, does anybody already know it? This is the sound O. And to get us started, I have got my mystery bag with me today, and it's a bit heavy and it's a bit full. There are some things in here that I want you to see if you know what they are. Because all the things in my bag use the sound O. Okay, so we're ready? Let's see, what do we have first? Okay, let's see what this is. What is this? What is this? Well done, it's a coat. And coat uses our O sound. Let's see what else is in the mystery bag. Let's see, let's rummage right down to the bottom. What is this? It's soap. Well done. And soap uses our O sound. Let's see, I think we've got one more thing left in my mystery bag. Let's see. Oh, what is this? It is bread, but there's another name for this. It's a loaf. Well done. And loaf uses our O sound. So great job. We've got a coat, we've got soap, and we've got a loaf. Now if you listen to Mrs. Moore saying those words, where do you hear our O sound? Do you hear it at the start of the word? Do you hear it in the middle of the word? Or do you hear it at the end of a word? Have a listen. Coat, coat. Where did you hear it? The start, the middle, or the end? In the middle. Well done. So let's see if we can sound out the word coat. Coat. What does it start with? Well done. It starts with K, and it starts with a C. K. O. We know that that's going to be our middle sound, don't we? O. A. Makes the sound O. And to finish off, K-O-T. T. Well done. You sound it out with me, and then let's squeeze it all together. After two. 1, 2. Coat. 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 Super. Well done. Now let's use the green pen, and we're going to sound out the word soap. Soap. Where did you hear our O sound that time? At the start, in the middle, or the end? Well done, it's in the middle again. So what do you think soap starts with? Well done, it starts with a S. Good job. S. O. O-A. Makes our new sound O. Good job. Soap. P. Well done. You sound it out with me after two. Ready? 1, 2. Soap. 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 Great job. Okay, and our last word then. Our last word, I'm going to do it in red. And it was our loaf, wasn't it? Our loaf. And well done if you've already spotted that our O sound is in the middle of the word loaf as well. So what does it start with? Loaf. Well done. O. Great job if you sounded out that one with me. Let's do it together after two. 1, 2. Loaf. 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 Great job, year 2. Well done. Now I'm going to give you an extra phonics challenge today. Once you've finished your phonics activity in your booklet, I want to see if you can find me a word that uses our new O sound at the start of the word. So find me a word that has O at the start of the word and send it to me on Seesaw. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.